What's up, UPA? Welcome back to the second episode of Food Fight. My name's Jayden.
My name's Ranveer, and this is Terry. He's gonna be mute, Jaden's gonna be blind, and I'm gonna be deaf, and we're gonna be baking cake today.
Because it's Ranveer's birthday tomorrow. Okay, let's get started. By the way, only Terry has a recipe, so we have to listen to whatever he says.
You don't have it.
Powdered sugar?
No, you don't have granulated sugar.
Bro,
That's
granulated sugar is regular sugar.
Where?
Then why are you speaking? Where is the granulated sugar? This? Okay.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is!
No,
I can
it's
feel
not.
it! I know what the granulated sugar is.
Is it? Oh,
Oh, what the heck? Get off me. Okay, wait. Tap me if it's powdered. Tap me if it's granulated. Bro, so we never even needed to do this. What are you? Oh my god. Okay, so it's just granulated sugar. Wait, I didn't put it over here. Where's the put the granulated sugar in my hand.
What?
The sugar in my hand.
Sugar? Okay.
Bro, this is not sugar.
The grain. Okay, the bowl is right in front of you.
Okay. Bro, I'm scared my camera's gonna die.
Wait,
Okay,
I'm gonna hold
how
it.
much? How much?
1, 3/4.
1 through 4.
1, 3/4. Stop. Okay, turn it upside down. Right where it is. Okay, that's 1 cup.
Are you sure? Is it only 1 cup? Okay.
Okay, 3/4. This is 1/4.
Okay.
This is 1/4.
3. Fuck. Oh, I mean, oh crap. I'll boot that up.
Stop. Okay, upside down. Okay, wait. Upside down.
One more?
One more. Stop. Upside down. Okay. That's done.
Okay.
1. Bro. 2. 2 cups flour.
Okay.
Just 2 cups.
Okay.
Wait, the big cup?
You can do it.
Oh, I do it?
Yeah, you can do it. Dude, what is this? It's not rice.
Bro.
Wait, what's your foot?
Okay, that should be good.
Okay. Next step.
Oh.
3/4 cup. Cashews? What is this?
What do we need?
Wait.
I can't breathe.
Is this chocolate powder?
Yeah, it's cocoa powder.
Okay. Do we need chocolate powder?
Is it
3/4 cup chocolate powder.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah? Is it? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Baking soda. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Teaspoon? Where? I just had it.
Wait, I have the baking soda. Yo. Pink salt.
How much?
1
Just sprinkle.
teaspoon.
Wait, sprinkle it. Cause just like do it to feel.
1 teaspoon.
Wait, but we don't have the. Wait, where's the salt? Put the salt. Just go. Just
How much?
Just however much. Just you feel. You go.
Jayden's saying, I don't know, and you're
No.
saying,
However much you pick.
I do it?
Yes.
I pick.
Yes. However much. Yeah, you choose.
Yeah, that should be good enough. Okay, okay. More? More. Actually, I'll say more. Someone thought. No, you did? Okay.
Okay, next.
Mix. With what? The spatula? Wait, do you have a whisk?
Oh.
Ah!
Ow.
Okay.
I think he means stop.
Stop. Okay. Oh, an egg.
Oh, we need an egg?
2 eggs.
2 eggs? Okay, I got this.
Okay, Jen, you can crack that. Into the X. Into the bowl. Okay.
Yeah?
Oh my god, there's shells in there.
Why are you taking it out of my hand? Wait, did you know it's factually impossible to crush an egg with one hand?
What?
It's impossible to crush an egg with one hand.
One hand.
It's impossible.
Possible.
No, impossible.
Impossible.
But I can do it.
You could crack an egg.
Yeah. Is this a try?
Jen, I think you missed the whole bowl.
Wait, actually? You say swear.
I swear.
Get some. Terry, pick up the camera and show the film.
Wait, there's shells in the thing, bro. Alright, we're back. We just cleaned up. And then we're just gonna continue from where we left off.
One more egg, because I missed.
Okay, one more egg.
Thank you. Oh, this is the egg.
Okay, don't do it again. Don't do it.
No,
Don't
it's
do it.
impossible this
Don't
way.
do it.
I learned from my mistake.
Don't do it.
Is this inside the bowl? Okay.
No, please.
Wait, I can't do it. What the heck? I saw. Ah! Wait, I can't. Wait, what the heck? This is so hard. Wait, you try. 4 fingers like this, okay?
Crack it with one hand.
You try. You try.
Oh, me? Wait, I can't.
I know. Okay, Terry, you try. No thumb. No thumb. No. Okay. Okay, right? Okay.
Here, just crack it normally. Oh wow, that was good.
It's
Jayden,
it's
do
texture.
you have anything to get the eggshells out?
No.
So we just keep them in.
Yeah. Okay, next up.
Okay, 1 cup. Oil?
There's no way we're using a cup of oil, bro.
1/2 a cup of oil? That's so much.
Dude, a 1/2 cup of oil? That's a lot of oil, bro.
Are you sure?
Mhm.
Is it 1/2 teaspoon? Reread the recipe.
Okay.
That's a whole cup.
We need, no, I don't
We
need
need 1/2 a cup.
We need 1/2.
This one. This one. 1/2 a cup.
Okay, bro.
Wait, is this oil?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, wait, I do it. I'm scared. Into the bowl. On the egg. Boom.
That is. Yo, you're joking. You're joking.
Did you put it in? Is it in? Okay, guys, we're back. The oil broke. Bro, sadly we didn't get it. We just got the result. I don't know why it wasn't recorded. It's so sad. It's so sad.
Here, this is Terry's mess.
Wait, do you have another broom like that as well?
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm kidding.
Okay.
It was so funny.
So loud. Okay. Anyways,
Are we continuing?
continuing.
Alright, I'm gonna play my
I think we said 2 teaspoons of vanilla, if I remember.
No.
What's next? Oh yeah, our buttermilk. We just combined lemon. We just squeezed a lemon and then combined it with milk. How much? 3/4 cup.
Where's the quarter cup?
Oh my stomach, bro. You good?
Wait, I need to take a cup out of this one.
Wow. Alright, what's next?
Wait, did we? Oh, coffee, right?
Mix? Okay, Jayden, mix it.
Terry, do not break this. Please.
Oh yeah, we also brewed some coffee and then
Courtesy of
mix
my
it up.
mother. You good?
You good? Keep going. It's so dark. You good? Okay, what's next?
Coffee.
Oh, now that we get the coffee, it's 3/4 cup.
But we don't have. We're just gonna put this.
Wait, that's a whole cup. Wait, should we just dump all of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, keep mixing. Keep mixing. Alright, we're back.
Alright, we're back. The oven is done preheating. We've got our pan out. I think you might have saw me, but we put parchment paper in. Where's it?
Pan.
Yeah.
Yo.
Oh, that's such a... Okay. Wait,
Okay.
is this like... Yeah?
Okay, wait. Let me fix it. Just pour it in.
Oh, what the heck?
What just got on me? Buttermilk.
Ew! What? Wait, what? I put it away.
There was some in the cup and Terry poured it on your hand.
Okay,
Oh
this-
my goodness.
this-
Yeah. In front of you.
Wait, I'm gonna do it like this way.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What the? How long do we have to put in? Wait, tell Ranveer or show Ranveer. Wait, tap, bro.
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Oh my. Okay.
No.
Right now?
No, 24.
Okay.
Okay, open it. Wait, how do I grab it?
Oh, what do you mean? Just like. Wait, Ranveer.
Open it more. A little bit more, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's in.
Alexa, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Okay.
25 minutes.
Alright guys, we're back. Cakes in the oven. Let's make some frosting. Okay. Got a new bowl for frosting. What do we?
We're making frosting. With butter.
Butter.
And
Wait, we should soften it. It's kind of hard.
butter again.
Bro, it's like hard as bricks right now.
It's
So hard. How are we gonna mix it?
What?
That's it.
Okay.
Bro, this is hard as a brick. Wait, it's actually kind of hard. That's exactly what it's called.
Now we mix it? What?
No, what are we mixing? Butter? Actually?
What? We mix butter.
Yes?
Why?
Wait, give me the whisk.
Okay.
Whisk?
And then just show this. But I'm like, that's 3 clicks, 4 clicks.
Okay, so we're just gonna mix the butter.
Oh, it's so hard! I can like, feel it! Dude!
We should have softened it.
Okay, we're back. Soften the butter, bro. This guy doesn't know.
Okay, that's way easier to mix.
Yes. I think I'm just smart.
No.
So then he just favorites that link.
No, you're not.
You just take off your tape?
Hey, bro, you did this. Yeah, I'm starting with it. Oh my god. Yo, Dave, did you call this? I can just hear it.
1 cup of cocoa powder?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're back. Terry's mixing it.
And then,
Now,
he has
put in the powdered sugar.
Wait, the powdered sugar?
Is
Wait,
it in?
Terry, how much?
All of it, all of it.
Mm-hmm.
It's all of it. I measured it.
I guess all of it.
Yes.
Same thing too, like,
Yeah?
I mean, yeah, that should
Dude, it
be
smells
fine.
like strawberries. Wait, strawberry chocolate cake? Sounds buzzing. Okay, I think we're done. Should be it.
It actually looks like cream now.
Oh, yeah, boy. Alright, guys, we're gonna do an official taste test now.
After half the cake.
After half the cake is gone.
Oh shit.
Because we forgot to record it.
Oh shoot. No.
Okay, guys, cheers.
Cheers.
That's good.
It's pretty good.
Mm.
Tastes like coffee.
Oh, yeah. So we accidentally used espresso instead of black coffee,
Yeah, it's like 3 cups. Like, or 3
Equivalent.
to 4, yeah.
but it's actually really good. So it's actually, I'm happy. It was a good mistake.
Alright, bye. See you guys.